Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, we will know that how can you change your name on your Instagram profile. So this video is all about editing and changing your name from your Instagram ID on your Apply Phone Instagram application. So welcome to the channel guys. This video is quite interesting and simple to do. What we have to do in this case, firstly just open your Instagram from here like this from your app management, and you can see this is my home page on my Instagram application. Here I'm already updated my application. If you have not, so just go on App Store and you can update your application from there. After that you have to go on your application like this. We will click on the right bottom of the screen called my profile icon here. Let it be open, and you can see there is an option called edit profile on the left bottom of my Instagram bio. I will click on it, and there is an option called name. Click on that option. There is one thing to note that you can just change your name once in every 2 weeks. So you can just note it and change your name from here. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.